Welcome. Today we are going to see how to make simple rasam. First we will soak the lemon-sized tamarind in water for 15 minutes. Squeeze the soaked tamarind and extract the juice. Throw away the leftovers of tamarind. Now take 3 medium-sized tomatoes and squeeze it into the tamarind water. Throw away the tomato skins. Take 7 to 8 garlic cloves and mash it. Then add it into the tamarind extract. With this, add 2 teaspoons of rasam powder. Please see the description for how to make rasam powder. Add 2 teaspoons of crystal salt. Pour 1½ glass of water in this. Mix it well. Now take small fry pan. Pour 2 teaspoons of oil. Once oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of hing. Then add 1 sprig of curry leaves. Now heat the tamarind mixture and add the fried curry leaves in this. Wait for few minutes. Foam will form around the edges. This is the time to switch off the flame. Sprinkle some coriander leaves. Now the rasam is ready. Please try this simple rasam recipe at your home. Thanks for watching.